Hi everybody, welcome back to day 10 of the 12 days of Christmas cocktails. Today we're making a cocktail that is sure to please everybody. It's called the Peppermint Mocha Mudslide. We're going to tell you all about the ingredients and how to make it, so stay tuned.
Hello Corkies, welcome back to corkandjava.com. I'm Billy and this is Bryn, and today we are making a mudslide. What type?
It's a Peppermint Mocha Mudslide.
Peppermint Mocha Mudslide, just in time for Christmas. And if you're new here, we do mostly wine and coffee reviews and how-tos because we like to expand and enrich your experience with all of your favorite beverages, including cocktails. So if that sounds interesting, consider hitting that subscribe button below so you're notified when our future videos come out. But let's get right down to the mudslide.
Okay. So, do you want me to tell you ingredients that we need, or do you want to just go step by step through
Let's just go step by step. I'll put a list of the ingredients down in the description or on the blog if you're reading there.
Okay.
And we'll just show you how to make it.
Okay, so first you need a candy cane and to crush it up. We have already done that.
Yep.
It's not shaking for you.
Yep, there we go.
We're going to use this to coat the rim of our glass.
Should I do that first?
Yes.
All right, so here's our glass, and you can use simple syrup, some water. A lot of times for coating rims you use lemon, but I don't recommend it for this.
No, this lemon would not go well with this.
I'm just going to use a little bit of vodka on my finger. Just to coat a little bit of the outside of that rim. Yeah. And get it in to this candy cane mixture.
And if you are crushing up a whole candy cane, sometimes it's easiest just to put it in like a Ziploc bag and just, smash it with a rolling pin or something so the little shards don't go everywhere.
Yeah. So we got a nice little candy cane crushed rim right there.
Okay, so we're going to
start with our mixer, right? So we got a mixer.
Yes. We're going to put 3 ounces of Kahlua.
All right, so this is filled halfway with ice already. So we got some Kahlua right here, which is a chocolate liqueur. 3 ounces, you said?
Yes.
All right.
1 ounce of vodka. What kind are we using?
We're using Skull, which it's the best value vodka I've ever found. It's pretty cheap and it's very smooth. I mean, vodka is just pretty much something that you use to add alcohol to stuff, and so if it can be smooth, not have too many like impurity kind of tastes, then the cheaper the better, in my opinion. And this one really it has a nice neutral flavor, and it just it does the trick with especially cocktails.
All right, we're gonna add a tablespoon of chocolate syrup.
Some Hershey's chocolate syrup.
I am a stickler for Hershey's. I have tried other brands and nothing is as good as Hershey's. 3 ounces of heavy cream. Make sure you shake it well.
Heavy whipping cream here. 3 ounces?
Yes.
Whew.
I do like half that, maybe.
About 2.5 ounces.
A Coffee Mate Peppermint Mocha. And I think I bought it to replace, you're supposed to buy Kahlua Peppermint Mocha. And I think I bought this as like a peppermint like flavoring. So since you didn't add as much heavy cream, I would just add like an ounce maybe of that.
Ounce of the
coffee creamer,
peppermint mocha, and shake that up.
So shake it and then put some ice in the glass and just pour it over it.
Let's get some ice in this glass. I'll shake it a little bit more. But there's some ice. Nice and shaked up.
It's really thick.
Should be. All right. And to garnish, we will use a little candy cane on top there. All right, while she's opening that candy cane and hopefully we don't break it, I'm going to add some little bit of whipped cream topping on there. Because who doesn't love a little bit of whipped cream on their mudslides, right?
It's not traditional, but it is Christmas, so you get to treat yourself, you know?
Exactly. There you have it.
I like it.
Let's give it a try.
All right. I know this probably isn't your cup of tea, so I'm interested to see what you think.
Tastes like a mudslide.
Yeah.
And I like the kind of, I don't know, mintiness that you get
You
from
gonna
the
save
candy
some for later too?
I guess so. It's very, very creamy, very rich, and very chocolatey. I feel like chocolate. I think you're gonna like this one.
I do like it. Yeah, I can taste the Hershey syrup in it, and I think it gives it a nice little kick of the chocolate with the Kahlua and the vodka. Tastes good.
Yeah, definitely something good for your lineup for your Christmas party.
It's nice and frothy,
and
it's festive with the little candy cane rim. It's a great Christmas drink.
Awesome. So yeah, check out our other 12 Days of Christmas cocktail videos, and we'll be posting another one shortly if you're watching this one.
Yep.
So yeah, stay tuned.
And make sure that you guys find us online. We have a group on Facebook, and we have boards on Pinterest and content on Twitter. Don't miss out. We're looking forward to seeing you guys online. So until next time, bottoms up.